Hi, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm gonna take y'all along with me where we run some errands, and today is my mother's birthday party, so we're gonna go there too. But this is my first time wearing my mauve head wrap turban outside. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's so pretty, but if your face is not fully made up and you have a nice outfit on, I think it looked like housewear or something you're supposed to wear after you get out the shower. But whatever, I got it on today because I have 4 jumbo bantu knots in my hair because I'm gonna do my little beach wave hairdo tonight for the party. So, alright y'all, let's go up in Target. It's the first location we're going to. And I'm at the Elf section. I wanted to do a makeup video with all of Elf products because I want to do some makeup videos, but I don't usually use anything different but what I have, so I'm going to buy a couple things until I get to Sephora or Ulta and buy a high-end foundation that I really want to look, because I still want to look out for a high-end foundation. This concealer, $6. Long wear, full coverage with a matte finish. Okay, this is what I want. But they don't have any dark shades. Okay, this might be a good highlighter color for me. It might be a contour, but I want to highlight. So, no to that. I'm going to grab this. And I need to find a foundation. Maybe I don't like CC creams. So we just left Target. Back to school was like in a week where I'm at. So it was so crowded. I never even seen Target that crowded before. But we are outside my boyfriend's car because look what he made. I'm telling y'all. Zoom in. Do you see that? His keys are sitting in the car. So we're locked outside the car. But my thing is, the car is not supposed to do that. It's supposed to make a noise when you leave your key in the car, and it's not supposed to lock. Because my car does that. If I so happen to leave my keys in the car and try to lock it, it won't lock. So we don't even know how that happened. We just bought a new battery just to change the battery out, just in case it was because of that. And we were waiting for AAA to come and pop the lock. But I did get a couple items from Elf. I might as well show y'all the items we got since we got time on our hands. Excuse me, big. So from Elf, I got there. I can't tell if I'm too close or not. The sun is bothering me. But my bad if I am too close. But I got their camo full coverage matte concealer. What shade is this? And deep chestnut. This is, I would say, close to my complexion or a little bit lighter, so I can highlight with it, which is fine. Also, I got the oil medium coverage foundation and then a satin finish, and this is in the shade caramel. And I got their little dual blush and highlighter, and this is in the shade lychee. I think that was it. And we just got a couple things from the house, but I'm getting hot, so I might walk back and stand inside Target until the guy come help us out. Even Starbucks line is long, because I'm gonna get something to drink from Starbucks right now because it's just. Got it. Yes. We made it in the car. I'm all out in the sun trying to splash this makeup to see if it even matched my complexion. I don't know if y'all could tell. My boyfriend said it looked a little orange. But. Alright, on to the next location. Just got back in the house from a couple stores we went to, Target, Aldi's, and Giant. So let me just show y'all a couple items we got. So we're making spaghetti for dinner tomorrow. So we have 2 of the tomato, basil, and garlic spaghetti sauces, and I got an extra marinara just in case. I like my spaghetti to have a lot of sauce. So I got those spaghetti noodles. And some croissants. I don't know if we're gonna make these tomorrow or probably these garlic knots. Yeah, I think we probably make these tomorrow with the dinner. Green bell pepper. I like mushrooms in my spaghetti, but my boyfriend don't, so he's not gonna do mushrooms this time. And some ground turkey. Other items, just a couple of things that we felt like we wanted for the week. Some jelly for our like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or breakfast sandwiches. Some pesto from him. Some pink Himalayan salt. My cocoa whip topping. I like to use this when I make my caramel lattes. Onion powder. Grapes. And some bread. Some Martin's butter bread. This was new at Aldi's, so I didn't get any yogurts this week. I got 2 of these. Hopefully I like them. So these are ready to go overnight oats with ancient grains. This one is vanilla cinnamon, and this one is strawberry. So hopefully I like them because I don't have any yogurt, so I'll be just at work hungry. I might like this one a little better. I don't know, but I'll let y'all know how I like those. And then this is what we got from Target. Some pine sol. I showed y'all a little bit when we was outside waiting. So we did get some batteries for his car keys. So hopefully that won't happen again. We thinking the battery was dead. That's probably why it allowed us to lock the keys in the car, because it's not supposed to happen. Alright, so we had that. This is for him. I don't like this because it makes my face irritated. I don't like the way it makes my face feel, and I don't like the way it smells either. So yeah, I don't use this, but he like it. My first time trying this. It smells good. I haven't tried any of their products yet. My boyfriend had this shower gel. I don't think he really cared for it too much, but I wanted to give it a try myself. This is his shower gel. He really liked this hairy shower gel. This is a fig, and it smells so good. So if y'all looking for a new shower gel for your man, grab this because it smells really, really good. And a couple items I got from Elf. Alright, y'all, so I'll talk to y'all later on tonight when we're getting ready to go to my mother's extravaganza. I still don't know how I feel about having this little thing on out in the public, but whatever. I wore it today, and that's just what it's going to be. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's a couple hours later, and I just took my hair out those jumbo bantu knots. I had 4 of them. I have a video showing y'all how I get this big beach wavy hairstyle. Just took my hair down, sipping on some wine. I decided not to wear no makeup because I still don't feel comfortable without a mask in large groups. So anyway, so with that being said, that's why I'm not putting on no makeup, because you're not going to see anyway. I'm going to have a mask on. So just got my eyebrow, big old hair. About to throw on some ambery saffron, deep for baccarat, dossier. This type of club that we're going to, I haven't been there. I haven't been out in a long time, clubbing, but from what I remember, it was like a fancy club. So my aunt, who's set up the whole party for my mother, she texted me saying that you could wear jeans, tennis shoes, and stuff. So I think I'm just going to put on some flat sandals. I'm not even going to do all that. And if we don't have to dress too fancy, I'm going to show y'all my dress. Just have a basic black dress on. And I guess I'm going to throw on some little flat sandals. I was going to put some earrings on, but my hair's so big, you're not going to be able to see any earrings anyway. So that's that. Hopefully they'll let me bring y'all up in the club with us so we can see what's going on. My phone ringing. Alright. I got my sister and the birthday girl. Okay. My mother. Okay, Miss Animal. The light in here. Oh, I hate the light in here. But
I know, right?
Your hair's cute.
Thank you.
This is crazy.
Cute.
He did that.
He did it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Look good.
You look really nice, man. I like this. This is me. This is giving. For real. Yes.
It's the girls. Look, this has been like 5 minutes since I took my hair out the bench. Now look how big they are. Good. It's hot. There go Kia. Hey. And they go my mama, the birthday girl.
Hey. Hey, Mom.
Uncle Mark.
Nice car you got up there.
Who told you that?
That's a lie.
That's they do.
Cranberry juice and
You smell good. What you got on?
What is my
I see what the best lighting is. Sorry, son of a sucker.
It looks like a bulb is blown up there or something. I don't know.
Yeah, this hair is going right back up in the puff. That's why I don't wear it out, because it's too much. It's hot and it's a lot going on. Okay.
Yes, Lord.
Show me your little puff, keys. Your little. That's cute. She got her little thing going on. That's cute.
Thank you.
Come on, Ma. Ma, where she go?
I want to show you what I was wearing.
Oh.
Valentino.
Oh, you smell good.
Thank you.
Mama got this one today. It smells good. Valentino. You smell real good.
Thank you.
You look so cute.
really nice.
Yeah, you look cute.
This is like
This is the mother that I knew. Come on, birthday girl. This is the birthday girl. This is my mama. You looking cute. Yeah. Looking good.
like Wendy.
Looking like animals. Yeah. Like round. All right, come on. Let's take a shot. What is it? No, I need a chaser. But I'm just going to drink this like this. What was I going to use?
Let me see something. There's another shot glass in there. Y'all all doing shots right here?
Yes.
I don't want a shot right now. I'm going to wait till I get there.
All right, well, we'll just
That's y'all shot.
This is a shot here. I don't know what the shot is. Is that enough or that's more?
Don't be wasting my vodka now, because I will drink
It's a
it.
baby shot.
I don't know.
That's a good shot.
She ain't trying.
Okay. Oh, Lord. Your hand chest is going to burn. The girls is cute.
Thank you. This
Love
is
the
the
big
same.
Diana Ross's
Take a shot to this. I don't even drink like that.
Kettle One. Moscow Mules, if everybody know about Kettle One.
Shot glasses is put up so we drink out of
Cranberry
this.
vodka.
And the birthday girl won't wait till we
Splash
get to
of
the
lime.
party.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Ooh, this is gonna take me forever. I can't drink shots.
All right,
Who's
ready?
driving? Oh, good.
Cheers.
One.
You ain't got nothing to chew. Happy birthday, girl.
Hey! Bush is giving me life. Diana Ross the boss. What you do to it?
Which bush?
What made you that?
Oh.
See, I told you to take me forever to drink a shot because I don't like alcohol.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, wow.
Santa door marks will be up here. One up there.
Oh,
I mean, oh, Mike. Yeah.
I had a baby shot. It took me about 10 minutes to drink that. All right, we get ready to go.
Somebody get glued on? It seemed like it did, didn't it?
Listen, birthday girl got her silk press for her birthday. Her little balloons and her flowers and everything.
It's a whole outfit. It's a whole
Oh, it all came together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's real cute.
I thought it was a two-piece.
Where'd you get it from?
Tarjay.
We were just up there earlier. I'm stupid. We was just there earlier. His keys in the car. And we had to call AAA or whatever. We had to come park the lot.
I told y'all car insurance got everything.
Yeah.
Like
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Alright, so that's a birthday girl. And we are about to go to the birthday girl's official party. See, my curls gone. Girl. Well, she still look good. And she look good. And I look like Prince.
The hair out, auntie.
Alright,
It ain't as straight as it was when I left yesterday.
But it's still holding though.
Right.
It's,
Right now, baby, gonna love you more, boy. Right now, baby, gonna love you more, boy. Right now, baby, gonna love you more, boy. Right now, baby. Everyone in the world could give me what I wanted. I wouldn't want more than I have. Gonna love you more. I try. I'm getting tired of your shit. You don't never buy me nothing. And Now every time I ask you for a little cash, you say no, but turn right around and ask me for some ass. Oh, but hold up, listen, partner, I ain't no cheap thrill. 'Cause Miss Badu's always coming for real, and you know the deal. Every time we go somewhere, I got to reach down in my purse to pay your way and your homeboy's way, and sometimes your cars are sway. When we all went out to eat, you baby ride in the backseat, and that ain't right. I said that ain't right, child. So I think you better talk down.
Alright, y'all, so I got this big old plate of spaghetti because I'm hungry, but I do have a question to ask y'all. Do y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti? Girl, because my boyfriend going to say it was ghetto. But I gotta put a little sugar on mine. That's why I don't put it in a pot. I just put it on my own plate, and I add some Italian seasoning. Dinner is served, but again, I do want to know, do y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.